You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right there on the 1-day chart, market is trading at 17.6k at this very level, and I was expecting the market to come back down, but the CPI data on Wednesday came out very much better than expected, and that was a result of this very movement to the upside on Tuesday. And on the 4-hour chart right here, we see the market break out and move right up to this very area before the FOMC meeting and the federal fund rate, and market drop right to the downside. So what are we expecting today in the market on ETH and BTC? As you see, this very good CPI at this very area, the previous was 0.4%, and what the market was expecting was 0.3%, but what actually came out was 0.1%, which was better for the market, and that was what leads to this very movement to the upside. Not only that, yesterday was the federal fund rate, and if you look at it very well at this very area, we have 4% federal fund rate at this very area, and what the market was expecting as at Tuesday was 75% of market participants was expecting a 50% basic point hike, while 25% of the market participants was expecting 75 basic point hike. But what we see here was 50% basic point height, and what actually came out was a 50% basic point height. And one thing very important, like I always say, is that before that very rate hike, the market has already priced into the upside, and right here, as at when the rate was released and the FOMC meeting, you see market come back right down. So what are we expecting today among all this in the market? Because this actually will play a bigger role as we begin to see markets move in the next coming days into the new year, January. All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, I was talking about market coming back down a little bit before we see the next movement to the upside, but the CPI data make this very possible, and market breaks out. We have this rejection, and right now market is at this very level. Like I always say, I always advise that after the federal fund rate and the FOMC meeting, we should wait for 24 hours for the market to stabilize, because that will also give us a nice market prediction to the downside. If you watch my previous video, I was talking about this very level of resistance at this very point, and this was the very area we are seeing market rejecting from at this very moment in the market. So what my expectation is for you to wait a little bit for the market to stabilize till the next 24 hours after rate hike. That will give us a little much more idea about what the market is going to do. But I am still expecting the market to go down a little bit from this area. There should be a little movement to the downside before we can see that next move to the upside, because the market has already priced in a little bit, and we have to see a little bit of cool off in the market to the downside, possibly to this level of support right here. Then from this very area, we will see the market move back to the upside again. Then on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this very area, we have a very cool resistance at this very point, and this resistance right here is very important. So I am expecting the market to move a little bit to the downside. As the market is going down right now, I'm expecting the market to move down a little bit into this very area of resistance, which turns support at this very point. Then the market will move back up again. So the main thing right now on the immediate short term is the market coming back to the downside. This is what I am expecting, and this is what I am paying attention to on the 4-hour chart. Expect this market to come back down a little bit, then from this area of resistance right here, resistance right at this area, resistance right here, turn support at this very point, then from here we could see the market move back to the upside in form of a continuation of this very move, market retrace, then continuation to the upside. So this is what I am expecting right now on the chart. And on the 4-hour chart, ETH, the same thing. If you look at this very area, market moved to the upside, but the movement we see here is not as severe as you see right here on the BTC USD 4-hour chart. This movement is very significant compared to what we see on ETH, and that is because Bitcoin is gaining more momentum. If you look at the ETH BTC chart, you will discover that BTC is on the run to the downside. That means Bitcoin is increasing in strength. And right now we have right here resistance. We have resistance at this area, resistance at this area, resistance here, which the market has broken down into this level. I am expecting this market to still come back into this area of support at this very point. And from here we can see the market move to the upside. So this very area of support right here is a very cool support to watch right now for the market to move into the support. Then you expect the market to begin to move to the upside from this very area. One thing very important I want to talk about today is the federal fund rate, or the FOMC meeting. Anytime you see the markets priced in prior to data released, either to the upside aggressively or slightly, or to the downside aggressively or slightly, please expect the reverse, the other way around. Very important, despite what you see as the data. One thing very important about price action is that it tells you what will actually happen in the market beforehand. And even though you don't have a good knowledge about the market fundamentals, which can be very confusing at times to interpret, always deal with your chart as it's supposed to be. And one of the clues that you can use always is what I'm telling you right now. Focus on if the market has already priced in prior to a data release. I mean, for both CPI and federal fund rate. And if the market has already priced into the downside prior to the data release as well. This information is very, very crucial to market movement after those data release. So this is very important, guys, and you need to pay attention to all these data because they move the market significantly. So what do you think about the 1-day chart right here on Bitcoin? Do you think we're going to see further increase in the market to the upside, or we're going to see a little bit of cool off to this very level before the actual move to the downside? Because this is what I was expecting around this area for market to come back down before the next move to the upside. Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.